Most investors discover winning stocks after they've already gone viral, after the headlines are everywhere, and after the biggest gains are gone. But the real money is made by spotting opportunities early, before the noise begins. As we move closer to 2026, the market is quietly entering a new phase shaped by artificial intelligence, shifting interest rates, and a global push toward efficiency and innovation. This moment is creating powerful setups for certain stocks that are positioning themselves for major breakouts, long before the average investor is paying attention. Every strong market cycle has a turning point, and 2026 is shaping up to be one of those moments. After years of volatility, smart money is no longer chasing hype. Instead, institutions are focusing on companies with strong fundamentals, scalable business models, and long-term growth drivers. These are not speculative plays. They are businesses building quietly, improving margins, expanding influence, and preparing for the next wave of market expansion. One of the strongest names positioned for a breakout is NVIDIA. What started as a graphics chip company has evolved into the backbone of the artificial intelligence revolution. From data centers to advanced computing systems, NVIDIA's technology powers the infrastructure behind AI, automation, and machine learning. Another stock that continues to strengthen quietly is Microsoft. While many companies are still experimenting with artificial intelligence, Microsoft has already embedded it into its core products. From cloud services to enterprise software, the company is turning innovation into predictable revenue. Its cloud platform continues to expand, and AI integration is driving higher efficiency and customer retention. This is the type of stock institutions accumulate steadily, not for hype, but for durable long-term growth. Tesla is often viewed only through the lens of electric vehicles, but that perspective misses the bigger picture. Tesla is building an ecosystem that goes far beyond cars. Energy storage, autonomous driving software, artificial intelligence, and manufacturing efficiency are all part of its long-term vision. Palantir is another company many investors still struggle to fully understand, and that's exactly what makes it interesting. The company specializes in turning complex data into actionable decisions for governments and large organizations. Amazon continues to evolve in ways most investors overlook. While e-commerce remains important, the company's real growth engine lies in cloud computing, automation, and advertising. Cloud margins are improving, logistics are becoming more efficient through AI, and advertising revenue is scaling rapidly. The truth is, by the time everyone agrees a stock is a winner, the opportunity is usually already gone. The company's position for 2026 are being built today, quietly and consistently.